know about return and risk. Return can be calculated without probability as dividend plus capital appreciation divided by initial investment, and with probability return in a single security can be calculated by first multiplying the return with the probability and doing the total of it. If I invest in this manner in this portfolio, what will happen? My expected return from this portfolio is 23%. So if I'm investing 1 lakh rupees, I can expect 23,000 rupees at the end of the year to earn from this portfolio. Okay, 23,000 rupees. But this 23% can go down by 17.09%. So for the time being, let's say 17%. So my minimum return should be 23 minus 17, that's around 6%. So minimum is 6 and maximum is 17 plus 23, that is 40%. So my actual return, what I'm expecting is 23, but actual return can be anywhere between 6 and 40%. This is the range that you have framed, you have drawn. Okay, this is the range in which your actual return will fall. This is actual risk, 17% below, 17% up. Standard deviation itself means your whatever in return that you are expecting, it can go down, it can deviate by 17% in both the sides, up or down. If it is going up, it's good for us, okay, but if it's going down, nobody wants that their return should go down, so that's a bad news.